Nuts. But I like how these little open spots. Pretty dope. I'm not going down there. That's looking crazy. Looks good though. Let's keep pushing. All right. I think we found something. All right, let's give it a shot. Looks pretty good. This is where you catch a big fish and how your pole gets broke. Nuts. Like building a treehouse. Oh, come on. He was on there. That's a good sign. How big he was, but there we go. Body that it feels pretty good. What are you? Come on in here. Oh, Largy. Come on, buddy. Felt you out there a couple times. Largemouth, guys. He's on camera. Pretty nice fish. It's almost picture time, dude. Bassing after work. Gotta love it. Ah, not a problem. And I was gonna put my bass gear away. Really? What's going on, guys? You saw what happened. I mean, after work, I'm tired. I was dead tired. I was not going to do it. I swear I was not going to do it. But it had to happen, and I'm glad it did. You know, it's a nice 3-pounder. Felt real good. Maybe going to try to get out a couple more times before I call it, give it a wrap, but we should have a couple more videos. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. So, you know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I will see you guys next video. And do not forget about the giveaway. Go check out that video. Alright, y'all. Till next time.